I'm Cinzia Priola from the Open University Business School. In this video abstract, I'm summarising an article co-authored with colleague Shafaq Chowdhury from the University of Lahore. The article is published in the British Journal of Management and is titled Unveiling Modest Femininities, Sexuality, Gender Inequality and Gender Justice. The article is published in the British Journal of Management and discusses how religious-motivated social norms affect and influence the gender practices within two different organisations. We observed work practices and interviewed employees within two different banks operating in Pakistan. The first bank is a multinational Western bank that operates a mixed gender work environment. It has an equal opportunity policy. The second bank is a multinational Sharia compliant bank that operates a gender segregated workplaces. We show that these two banks are the sites of very different practices of reproduction of gender practices, and that sexuality is actually present in all work practices, even in a culture where sexual related topics and sexual related issues are repressed from public discourse. The practices we observed in the Western bank reflect very much the practices observed in other service organizations in the global north, where women are expected to use their femininity in order to pursue financial opportunities to achieve the organizational objectives. Here we found that they do it differently, so they do it in ways that maintain and protect their modesty and respectable femininities. So for example, they limit their interactions with male colleagues and customers to work-related matters. They work efficiently within the premises of the bank because they cannot socialize, they cannot network with clients. It's just like their male colleagues do. The paper showed different modalities in which they do so, but in summary we can say that they negotiate and reshape the social norms regarding modesty and respectable femininities in ways that on the one hand fulfill the organizational economic needs, and on the other fulfill their own personal, social and intellectual needs. In the Islamic bank, women follow orthodox practices. In this way, the sexual hierarchy of the patriarchal society is maintained. The gendered ideal worker is not just masculine, it also has a male body. Inequality here is represented as fair work. The article theorizes Islamic feminism and is informed by secular feminism. We highlighted the ways in which conceptions of equity, justice and women's rights are entangled in organizational and social practices and can be better understood or fully understood only by engaging with socio-cultural and political rationale within which they emerged. We argue that rigid definitions of gender equality as developed in the global north cannot be sustained in order to advance women's rights in different cultures. Gender inequality, just like gender equality, is nuanced and is entangled with political and ethical issues. We hope you enjoy reading our article, and we thank you for watching this video abstract.